Hi.
Namaskaram. So, I've picked 10 Malayalam movies, but I've changed the title from Malayalam into English.
Perfect.
So, you guys have to guess what is the original name of the movie that I've translated into English.
Okay, and we have selected 10 English movies translated into Malayalam, and we are going to give you the Malayalam word. Is there going to be like a time limit?
Maybe 30 seconds?
30 seconds is too long.
Konchu pediyayi.
Okay, so who wants to go first?
I guess I'll go first. So, it's going to be easy. So, in English, the word is rage.
Rage. That is Desham. Kalippu. In the Kalippu. Is there a movie like that?
That Dulquer movie.
Ayyo, adendarnu. Ayyo.
Starts with a-
Kali.
Kali.
Yes, yes, we got it. Okay, this is tougher than we thought. We have kept very easy movies, except maybe one or two. Okay, the first one.
I should tell the
You have tell the Malayalam word.
Malayalam word.
Yeah. Yes.
Komali.
Komali.
This is easy.
Even the in vocabulary ഭയങ്കര less ആണ് അയ്യോ കോമലി അയ്യോടാ is it an animal?
No. Sorry, is there any other word for it? A guy who keeps cracking jokes professionally.
Oh, a comedian? The comedian?
Another word.
No. Joker.
Oh yes, you get it.
I don't know if that counts.
No, it counts. It counts. Yeah, right. So yeah,
Number
one and one.
Mystical River.
Mystical river. River എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ പുഴ, ഗംഗപ്പുഴ അല്ല, mystical ഉണ്ട്. Mystical.
Magical.
അയ്യോ, എനിക്ക് ഇതിന്റെ ഒന്നും മലയാളം വേർഡ്സ് ആക്ച്വലി അറിയില്ല. അത്ഭുത പുഴയോ ഇല്ല.
പുഴ അല്ല.
Okay, pass.
I'll give you a hint. Popular movie with Tovino Thomas.
Popular movie.
Mayanadi.
Yeah!
ശരി, അപ്പം yeah, now we have to tell a movie, okay?
Yeah.
You want to give a movie, Saragota? You give a, you don't want to give? Okay, this one I'll tell. This is a very easy one. You should guess in like 3-4 seconds, okay? Amma Tiruchetti.
Mom returns. Wait, mom. Mom.
You got it?
That he's come back. Yeah,
You
mom
got
came
it.
back. Mom's okay. Cinema അറിയില്ല.
No. You didn't get, you didn't get the correct name. Almost told the right name.
So it's mom or mother or like is it just mom?
Amma
Back.
Tiruchetti.
He came back, reached back. Returns.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh, okay.
So what's the movie?
Mom returns. Mom is back.
Oh, okay, you don't know this movie. The Mummy Returns.
Yeah! Shit, that's cheating.
No, but, so you haven't heard of the movie?
Mummy returns അറിയാം പക്ഷേ അമ്മ
The Mummy is...
അയ്യോ ചളി.
Okay, the actual mummy is what we don't know in Malayalam about it. Mummy. അല്ല, ആ കെട്ടിയിട്ടിരിക്കുന്ന മമ്മിയിലെ.
Disqualification.
Yeah.
Alright, enjoy this one. The affectionate, tender coconut water.
That കരിക്കൻ വെള്ളം. Affectionate. കരിക്കൻ വെള്ളം അല്ല, കോക്കനട്ട് വാട്ടർ. കരിക്കൻ വെള്ളം മൂവി. അത് തണ്ണീർമാത്രം തിന്നുകണ്ട. That's a different movie, sorry. Name again, please.
The affectionate, tender coconut water.
കരിക്കൻ വെള്ളം.
അനുരാഗൻ.
കരിക്കൻ വെള്ളം.
Very good.
ഞാനിപ്പോ പെട്ടാണ്. Next for
When
you.
you were laughing, it blew my head.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know if you're gonna kill us probably.
As if it's another punny one, I don't know what I'm going to do.
മതില് വഴിയിലെ ചെന്നായ.
So, Larry is way,
മതില്.
right? Madile. I don't.
I don't think we should go
I'm
with
not
the
sure
rest
the
of the
meaning of
movies.
this one.
Do you know Chennaya?
Chennai. No.
Chennai.
Chennai.
I just know Chennai, the city, and Tamil Nadu.
Do you know Kurukan?
Kurigan. Fox.
Chennaya is similar to fox.
Wolf?
Yeah. So Madile.
So the wolf way, the way.
Wolf looks like a fox.
Okay.
മതില്
Is it
ഭിത്തി.
I'm thinking of dances with wolves.
Okay.
I don't know.
Bitti അറിയോ? Bitti.
Instead of മതിൽ.
Ayuda. I'm exposing myself now.
No, that's fine.
Another word for way.
Try to think of another word for
Right.
vadi and you'll get it.
Yeah, there's path, road, and then wolf. Can you give me like the genre of this movie?
It's a drama kind, a real life story. DiCaprio is acting in it. The Wolf of.
Wall Street.
Yeah. So
Madigalu. I would have said like Madigalu de Vari.
Madilu, yeah, Madilu. What did we say?
മതിലിന്റെ കൂടെ
Oh, you said Madil. Oh.
Madilu vadi. Yeah, Madilu we said. Madilu is
now
one.
I hear it. The stolen goods and the eyewitness.
The stolen goods and the eyewitness. Tondi mudal
Driksha.
Drikshashim. Tondi mudal Drikshashim.
Yes.
Yes,
Oh,
okay. Actually, I think the longer it is, it's easier because if we get 2 or 3 words translated.
easier to guess.
അടുത്ത ഏതാ? ഇത് എളുപ്പമാണ്. This is very easy. Okay, ഇത് കിട്ടിയില്ലെങ്കിൽ you retire. Okay, from this game.
Okay,
Okay.
Bus.
If you get wrong, you're out.
Yeah. She's വേഗവും ദേശത്തിലും.
Quickly anger. Quick.
You're out.
Hold on.
No, Sarah, don't say that. I was just kidding.
It's okay. What is it again? Say it again.
വേഗവും
Vegam. Vegam. Yeah, speed.
ദേശത്തിലും.
Anger. Hold on. Speed. Speed demon? Speed. Speed.
Another word for speed.
Velocity.
അത് correct word actually.
വേഗത്തിൽ. Yeah.
Yeah.
വേഗത്തിന്
വേഗം. Yeah.
Yeah, fast. So fast. Anger. Hold on. Are you saying
വേഗവും
Desha?
ദേശത്തിലും.
Desha in anger.
You are out.
It starts with the first word. It starts with F itself. The second word.
The Fast and the Furious.
Yes.
Oh my
Yes.
god.
You got it. Yes.
Sounds much more poetic. Sounds much more poetic in Malayalam.
Yes.
A northern tale of valor.
Northern Tale of.
Valor.
I won't get it.
Eh?
courage.
I won't get
Did you say northern?
Yeah, northern. North.
നോർത്ത് എന്നല്ല പറയണത് നമ്മള് നോർത്ത് ഇന്ത്യക്ക് മലയാളം നോർത്ത് ഇന്ത്യ എന്നല്ല പറയണത് ഓ അങ്ങനെ വടക്ക് ഓക്കെ അത് താരെ പോകല്ലേ താരെ പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ വിൽ ബി സ്റ്റക്ക് ഓക്കെ മണി സെഡ് ദാറ്റ് ആൻഡ് വിൽ ഫിനിഷ് ദിസ് ഓക്കെ സോ സോറി വി ആർ ബാക്ക്
It's fine.
ഇന്റർവെൽ അല്ലേ ഷോർട്ട് ബ്രേക്ക്
Yeah, interval.
മലയാളം മൂവീസിൽ എപ്പോഴും ബെസ്റ്റ് ഇന്റർവെൽ ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് റിക്വയർഡ് ഹൂസ് ടേൺ ഇസ് ഇറ്റ് നെക്സ്റ്റ്
It was our turn.
Yes, so I had said the northern tale of valor, so you guys took an extra time to think about that one.
യു കുഡ് ഹാവ് ആക്ച്വലി ഗൂഗിൾ കുറച്ച് കള്ളക്കളിയൊക്കെ ചെയ്യാറുണ്ട്
So much trust I have.
നോർത്തേൺ ടേൽ എനിക്കൊരു വടക്കൻ വീരകഥ അങ്ങനെയൊന്നുമില്ലേ അതാണോ
Yeah.
ഇവിടുത്തെ ആക്ച്വലി ഫുൾ നെയിം പറയാം സാറ് മെലഡി വിൽ ഈറ്റ് ആർട്സിന്റെ ഒരു വടക്കൻ വീരകഥ
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've heard of it.
അങ്ങനെയൊന്നും പറയില്ല സാറേ മമ്മൂട്ടി ഫാൻസ്
Oh, it's an
കട്ട് ചെയ്ത് കളയേണ്ടി
amazing
വരും
movie. Oh, it's a really good. It's one of the first ones I saw.
Yeah, you have watched it for sure.
നിന്ദ്യമായ ഞാൻ.
Okay, Satyam Barate. We thought it's going to be very difficult movie, so this one we googled actually because even we didn't know the Malayalam word for it. Okay, so we'll give you plenty of clues for that, and you pronounce the word wrong. Nindyamaya Nyan.
Ninde.
Nindyamaya. It's one word. Nindyamaya Nyan.
Nindiyamaya. So Nindiyamaya. So Aya is some adjective.
It is an adjective. That's a good way to break it down.
I think we'll have to give a clue. It's animated.
It's an animated movie. Just guess the second word, and you might get it. Nindyamaya Nyan.
Okay. Despicable Me.
Yeah, you got it. Nice. So you get 2 points for that, because even we didn't know the word for that. But how do you guess the first word? You just assume.
Because you said animated and
Yeah.
yan.
And yan,
like
okay,
irony. So
okay.
I was just like,
Really?
Yeah, this one's gonna be too easy.
Okay, let's see.
Groom required.
Groom. വരണ ആവശ്യമുണ്ട്.
Yeah.
Yes. Fastest. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, this is also quite easy.
Okay.
വിശപ്പ് കളികൾ.
Vegetable hunger. Kaligal. Thieves.
കളികൾ.
Kaligat. Oh, the Hunger Games.
Yes, you got it.
I get Kali and Kali. A vineyard for us to live in.
A vineyard for
That
us
is
to live
quite
in.
difficult.
Vineyard.
Quite difficult.
ഇത് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. ആ മുന്തിരിത്തോട്ടം അതിനെന്താ? Can you tell the English word again?
Yes. Vineyards for us to live in.
ആ നമുക്ക് താമസിക്കാനുള്ള ആ വേർഡ് മുന്തിരിത്തോട്ടം. നമുക്ക് താമസിക്കാനുള്ള മുന്തിരിത്തോട്ടം. For us to live in.
It's a Mohanlal movie, and he uses the Bible to confess his love.
Oh. No. Fahad Fazil's movie?
No. It's an old movie. It's Mohanlal.
Maria spin.
Okay.
You were so close. You were so close.
മുന്തിരിത്തോട്ടത്തിൽ. That is the correct word, right? മുന്തിരിത്തോട്ടം. No, it
Yes,
is not.
the order. Oh.
തോട്ടം മുന്തിരി.
നമുക്ക് ജീവിക്കാനായിട്ട് മുന്തിരിത്തോട്ടം.
Maybe if I say a vineyard for us to stay in instead of live.
താമസിക്കാൻ നിൽക്കാൻ.
Pass.
Okay. Namakku paarkan mundiri thotam.
നമുക്ക് പാർക്കാൻ.
അയ്യോ, no, I would never have guessed it. One word,
Okay.
Kanyastri.
Stree is woman, so is it Wonder Woman?
അതല്ല കറക്റ്റ് വേർഡ് താരെ. You told the translation. Kanyastri.
Kanya. Woman. I don't know. Like I was thinking Wonder Woman, but I don't know Kanya. So
മടത്തിലുള്ള എനിക്കൊന്നും ഈ വേർഡ്സിന് അർത്ഥം അറിയില്ല. മടത്തിലുള്ള. That's what Tara says. മടം
is it woman?
പള്ളിയോ? It's a horror movie.
Oh.
It's a very short word. അമ്മ മടത്തിന്റെ അർത്ഥം എന്താ?
Like which? I'm trying to think. One word. A female something.
Yeah, so Kanyastri is basically sister എന്ന് നമ്മൾ വിളിക്കും.
The nun? Is it the nun? Or?
Yeah, the nun. you got it. Even I didn't know the meaning actually. Taras came up with this.
Okay. Repeating rhythm.
Repeating rhythm.
It's a one-word movie title.
Repeating rhythm. നേരം അങ്ങനത്തെ എന്തെങ്കിലാണോ? Rhythm എന്താ? താളം. Repeating താളം. തത്താളം. വീണ്ടും താളം. Okay. Pass. Any clue? Any hint? Talam. Is that talam word, right?
Like I said, it's one big word.
Tavalam. അങ്ങനെയല്ലാണോ? Tandavam. No. I don't. What is tandavam meaning? No idea. First word, please. First letter.
The first part.
First letter.
Ta.
Ta. Okay, so we got that. Shavisha asked for the last letter.
Num.
Is it Mohanlal?
Which one?
Num.
Pass.
Yeah.
Pass. We are losing now.
Tanya Vartana.
Oh, I have no idea. Now we are not going to hold back. We are going to give you the tough movies.
I picked these from like the
Your
top
turn.
Malayalam movies.
Okay,
so
which movies are again? We again forgot. Ta. What is
Tanya
the
Vartana.
Now,
Tanya Vartana.
Appa,
Vardhana.
it's your
No
turn to
idea.
tell
Unless I guess.
Tanya Vardhana.
Yeah. Okay. Let me get the hard movies out. No, I'm kidding. We have exactly 10 movies made. That's it.
Full revenge bundle.
No. Pyre. Very simple. Pyre.
Huh? Pirate. Pirates?
Pyre.
Like beans?
Yeah. You got it. Just modify. Just add a word before that.
Before? Another word beans?
Just singular, not plural.
Bean. Oh, Mr.
Yeah.
Bean sack. Dragonflies in the spraying rain.
Your movies are all so long. And the Dragonfly of the
This
Strange
is
Land.
not my movies, these are Malayalam movies.
Okay. Dragonfly,
word.
Yeah.
Dragonflies in the spraying rain. That's the thing, in Malayalam it's one word, but then when you translate it, it's like...
Yeah. എനിക്ക് വേർഡ് ഇപ്പോഴും കേട്ടില്ല. സേര I'm not able to... മഴയത്തെ തുമ്പികളോ? തുമ്പികൾ?
Spraying rain.
മഴ തുമ്പികൾ.
Dragonfly in rain.
തൂവാന തുമ്പികൾ.
Yay!
Yeah. Oh, Tara.
Yes.
I would have been at 1 or 2 if it wasn't for Tara. Yeah.
She's the real MVP.
Yeah. Okay. ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചു കേൾക്കണേ. തല്ലിപ്പൊളി ആൺകുട്ടികൾ.
This is
So,
very
boys.
difficult.
So there's boys, and then what was the first part?
തല്ലിപ്പൊളി.
What is Talipuli?
Is it like talla, like hitting someone?
തല്ലിപ്പൊളി is a slang. തല്ലിപ്പൊളി. It's not the actual word.
Something boys, okay.
തല്ലിപ്പൊളി. Okay, so then I will say the actual word.
Bad boys.
Yeah, you got it. Yes. Right.
On the horn of the sweet mango tree.
On the horn of the sweet mango tree. Sweet mango tree? മറ്റേ എന്നാണ് പറഞ്ഞത് മാവ്. എന്താ പറയുന്നത്? അല്ല this is sweet mango tree മാവാണോ?
On the horn of the sweet mango tree.
On the horn of the sweet mango tree.
On the horn or on the branch.
Yeah, okay, 1 second. താരയുടെ ഹെൽപ്പ് ഇല്ലാതെ ഞാൻ സ്റ്റക്ക് ആവും. Wait. Yeah, വാ. Branch of the sweet mango tree.
കൊമ്പ്
Sweet mango tree. മധുര മാവ്.
തേന്മാവിൻ കൊമ്പത്ത്
Think honey instead of sweet.
Yeah, she got it. She said it.
തേന്മാവിൻ കൊമ്പത്ത്
What? Yes.
Yes. ധൃതി പിടിച്ച് മണിക്കൂർ.
So hours. Time. Hours.
Yeah.
And then what was the first part?
ധൃതി പിടിച്ച്.
Pediche.
ധൃതി പിടിച്ച്.
Rush
Yeah,
hour.
yeah, I got it. Yes. Okay, you want to say bye? Say bye. Sarah's got the cranky mood. Oh, you boy. Okay, Sarah, say bye. This is how a family show ends. Sarah, at least say bye, Sarah. Gutta. At least show your face and say bye. You can close your eyes and say bye. Like this and say bye. See, she's not saying bye the same way.
Oh, like that. She's
Yeah.
also closing her eyes.
She's also shy, I think. Okay, Sherry, bye. Bye.
Bye,
See how
thank
it
you.
goes.